my kitchen, you hear me?
Why not follow instruction? Damn, I'm gonna break my finger.
It just be broke. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. It's a brand new day in JA. It just gives me so much peace to say. See? It just gives me so much peace to say it's a brand new day in JA. How would you guys know we're not in Jamaica, but I feel like I'm in Jamaica. I still feel like I'm home. Anyway, you guys, what am I doing?
I don't know what you're doing. You look like Tyler.
I'm in the kitchen with Ben today.
So what I'm supposed to do is that?
Grater it for me, please. Oh.
This way?
Huh?
This one you want?
What are you doing? Put the grater down like this. Let me make it easier for you. I'm gonna split the cheese in 3 sections. So you grater each piece on here. You guys, I'm in the kitchen with the husband. Take time, don't hurt yourself. I am making dinner for the fam bam, and I'm freestyling lasagna today. I don't have any cream, any heavy cream, so I'm gonna make the heavy cream myself. And I have these pack of lasagna here for a minute now, so I'm not gonna make a big one, but that's what I'm gonna do. And I'm gonna add some green beans in it and mixed veg in it. So yeah, that's what I'm cooking up. And then I'm gonna throw it in the oven. So let me put the pasta on. So that's the first thing we're gonna do. A lot of people cook their lasagna without cooking the pasta first, especially French people. That's how they do. They don't normally cook the pasta first. They normally just put the pasta directly in the pan, and the lasagna come out just as good. But I don't like to do it that way. I like to go the way
Mama, what am I having for dinner?
When you get it, you'll see.
Pasta?
Some kind of pasta, something like that. Okay? Bless you. Coronavirus!
You can be sure that in some years that's how the kids will play in the
Exactly.
school.
Once you sneeze, that's what
They touch the others and they say, oh, now you have coronavirus. And the person that touched the other kids to say, oh, no, it's you who have the coronavirus.
Exactly.
Didn't mind what I just said.
So funny. Alright, you guys, so all the pasta is in. And in here I just have some oil and some salt. The oil is so that the pasta doesn't stick together. So that's that. And now I'm gonna go ahead and kick off the meat part of the lasagna. I have some beans that I need to use up, so I'm gonna cut these up really fine and use them. And I have 1 tin of mixed veg. So we're getting veggie into our lasagna. Yes, that's a good way to get your kids to eat veggie. Though Tyler don't really have a problem eating veggie. If you have broccoli, it would be a really good time to put broccoli in your lasagna. Kids love cheese. So anything with baby, you eating the cheese?
No, it's just a baby piece.
I'm just messing with you.
No, you're not.
If your kids love cheese, then it's a good moment to add that to your lasagna. If your kids hate veggie, I want all of it. I want all those.
Yeah, but
all
the
of it.
end sugar.
I know, but that's why you need to just take your time. Don't leave back any. I want every bit. pieces.
Come on, those baby pieces.
I
That
don't care. I want every bit. Baby piece, big man piece, little boy piece. Don't play with me before
I
I
don't
run
eat
out of my
peas.
kitchen.
I'm the guest.
You don't want to see her eating. Listen, no ramp with me.
I'm the guest. So.
I move your big head out the camera so the camera capture both of us at the same time.
Go in and play a bigger camera.
So I'm also trying to cut the beans small so it doesn't scare you when you're eating it. Alright, so I have beans and now I'm gonna add why them pasta you break up? Don't play me now.
Why not follow instruction?
Why you don't follow? Burn out of my kitchen. Don't make me run out of my kitchen, you hear me?
Why not follow instruction? Damn, I'm gonna break my finger.
It just be broke. Uh-oh. Can you reach that garlic, please?
And I can say, please.
Honey, I'm gonna run you out of the kitchen. I promise you.
Look, I do that perfectly for you.
For me? No, I'm making your dinner.
Oh, you're not gonna eat it?
No.
Okay, I didn't know that. What you gonna
Ear puff.
eat? You want me to help you make the hair puff?
No, mine's already made. My dinner is done to order. I just need to go, I need some weed. Can you give me back up? Back up! Babe! Alright, the pasta finished cooking. I just need to throw them out gently. Oh no, it's sticking. You want me to cut you with the knife here and say stop eating my cheese because you know I'm going to the small piece? Stop eating my cheese. What kind of assistant you be? You eat half of the goods. We don't understand. Stop it, man. Sure.
Well, you not pay me for this. I pay myself with cheese.
Oh, monsieur.
Yeah, you want this? Oh, this is it.
Yes, I want it.
That is them in.
You're gonna thump me, see you watch. Alright, you guys, time for me to do the meat stuff. The cheese not even enough and you eat it.
Of course, is it?
Are you a cook?
Yeah. You don't see?
Come here, I'll show you the kitchen. Oh, that smells good. Alright, you guys are throwing all that I just cut up. And I'm going to add some flavor to that. I'm going to add salt. Move your big bottom.
Yes, my girl. Yeah, you can't do more than that. Give me a minute.
away. Thank you. Alright, you guys, my filling is done. Here, baby. Thank you. Filling is done. And now I am going to make the sauce for my lasagna. Alright, so here what's going on right now. I am going to add some butter in this pot, and I'm gonna make that baby melt. Alright, now to this I'm gonna add some flour. About that amount. Then I'm gonna whisk that baby and whisk. Come here, babe. Hold this. Continue. Whisk it in. Shake it. Shake it. All of it. All of it. Good job. Okay. I'm going to add the rest of the amount of milk that this is the last one. Separate. Oh yeah. And then I'm gonna put this back on the stove to make it boil on low heat for about 5 minutes or so to just make the flour cook.
It's been a long time with you as a wife. Na, 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 na,
Turn on the TV, please, honey.
again.
I'm gonna put some of the meat at the bottom because I don't want it to burn. I'm just spreading it out. Spread out, gotta spread out.
First time I see that, the meat at the bottom.
Really?
That's fine.
Well, I shouldn't use this, you know. I should use the big pan.
You sure?
No, I'm not sure actually. You think? It's too big, don't it? Alright, I'm gonna stick to this.
If whatever remains, if some meat remains, we can still have the meat.
That's true. I think I'm gonna stick to that.
Tu as fini avec le lait?
Yes. You can tell that this pasta is as old as myself.
You can tell that you know better than I, so that's what makes me feel.
So you feel happy? You come back?
I feel like I can come back.
He's so funny. Baby's too funny. I think it's because the pasta is old as my great granny. Yes, Sarah. Yes, Sarah. Sarah saying our ABC. Say P, T, T.
You're not bad. Not bad.
You proud of yourself?
No, I just said not bad. There's nothing to be proud of.
Alright, one more layer.
The thing is, there's not too much time because in the middle you look overcooked.
Right, go there, baby.
Yes, Sarah, cheer on me.
Sarah, come up. Pap, 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 pap. We don't even have enough meat for the top.
For the?
For the top. Give me the rest of the corned beef in the fridge. Yes, may I put my corned beef on the lasagna. I had a little bit of leftover corned beef. A good thing you say that, you know, babe?
A good thing I say what?
Remember the sauce? Alright, we're gonna add the rest of the cheese. And then we put it in the oven. Well, there go freestyle cooking. This call use what you have. You see me? Alright, baby, we're ready now. Gonna roll. Look loaded.
Don't call that some specific name.
What you mean?
Don't call that lasagna.
It is. It smells of lasagna. Make sure you're not eating none, you know. You're dead feel hungry tonight. Because you're not getting on your brain. See, when they not appreciate nothing, that's so they behave. Him don't even appreciate the fact. So I'ma try. Him not even say, okay, honey, you try. Oh, no call it nothing.
I'm giving her Sarah a hug, but I didn't do nothing wrong to her.
Get her to say hello. Sarah, look. Sarah, look up. Say hi. Hi. Yeah. Say hi. Hi. Say hi. Hi. Good girl. Good girl. Look, hi. Hi, Sarah. Pants that Sarah is wearing. That's the pants Tyler went home in from the hospital. That's Tyler going home clothes. Say hello. Look. Hello. Hello. Hi. Hello. Say hello. 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 Yay. Count for them. 1. 1. What is this? 2, 3, 4, 5. Yay! Yay! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yay! 1 and tell me what is this? This one. What's this? What's this? Show me 2. 2. 1 and look how cute my babies are. 1 and 2. She said 2 whenever she likes it. 2, 2, 2. It smells like porridge. Alright, you guys, here goes the outcome of my crazy lasagna.
Lasagna.
Ready for dinner?
What's a lasagna?
Is what you gonna eat right now. That look delicious.
Mama, what's lasagna?
Lasagna is meat and pasta and vegetables. And corned beef is in it too. Oh, it's hot. And cheese. Lots of cheese.
They are the same one for you and for Anne.
Oh, my favorite.
Oh, your favorite. it.
Vegetables.
Looks what, honey?
Very yummy.
Looks very yummy. Well, let's hear what the family have to say.
It looks like
Who's gonna take the first bite?
me.
Alright.
I'm gonna take the
I'm gonna
first
take
one.
my bite.
And your bite.
Sarah, what them here about? Them can't cook like me? Them can't cook like me, Sarah? Ask them.
You know what is the best part?
It is so good.
The cheese. I don't know who grated the cheese, but it's so perfectly made.
Sarah? Oh God. Hold on. Say that again.
This is good.
Louder.
This is good.
Mm.
I can't have dessert.
Eat.
It's so good.
Is it? Eat. You don't even realize that there's vegetable in it, don't babe? It's so good. Go ahead, it's already cooked.
Oh. Oh, it's hungry too.
Papa went for refill. Here too.
I didn't eat that. They do that at work sometimes, but I never take it. I always think about you and I say, oh, let's do this and that and take the salad.
Today is also holiday here.
In France? Yeah, Sunday
Tell
holiday.
them what kind of holiday it is.
It's called Toussaint. I think in English it's All Saints Day. It's the day where traditionally they celebrate the saints, all the saints. So mainly people going to cemetery. There's one day during the year that people go in cemetery. This is today. So a lot of person to the cemetery celebrating and going to the
Flower shop.
flower shop, and yeah, so today is All Saints Day, is a Catholic day. One thing in France is not allowed to bury your
People at home.
people at home. So
Like in
you
Jamaica.
bury people at the cemetery, not at home. And then you have the biggest backyard in the world. Nope.
It's not about forbidden. Must be in a cemetery, huh?
Mm-hmm.
You guys see my busy body?
Mama.
No, it's not hot anymore. Just put it in your mouth. Voila. See?
Yeah, I already had two.